take you up when a man, we see a female out there work on the garbage truck and take her up. While a female not see you with nothing and take you up. Something have to go on for you, brother. You have to do something, you have to chop the line or something to take you up. You don't know?
I know that.
Yeah, brother, she not just take you up, so brother. While I see a man, I see true love in a girl and say he see true love in another girl, you know. Take her up same way. You see what I say? Because him see true love in a garbage truck she work for. Brother, some woman not see that and take her up, bossy. Him not take up a man them way there. You don't know? Something have to go on for you, man. Something have to go on for you. Go and leave at them, boss.
So there's a nothing
nah,
now,
bash them still in about. I just the truth, my boss, man. You see me I say? I saw we live down your daily, man. You whip off a talk or something. You see the overseas girl, them just love with natural, man. Just by talking, them love with. The overseas girl, them small island, all over, them love with. Just by talking, but our own girls, them, you have to have things to get them. And so we in a trouble.
So what if it's not a Benz? Still a carry companions.
So what TV for entertainment? So what if we can't buy juice? We just go back to our roots.
You see when you eat that?
Morning guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in the Violent Bank district. Yes, we'll be starting a series of church visit and camping. Yeah man, we'll visit the church and then do a camping afterwards. So this morning I find myself at the Remnant Assembly of Yava. Yes, that is where I'm gonna visit today. Right, and I'm gonna do some camping in the district as well. So I'm tired already. Whole heap of hill, drive over a whole heap of hill. You understand? Walk over a whole heap of hill with the thing. But the leg them get stronger. You understand? So stick around guys. Right. I know that we go inside our church and video, you know, that might not be possible. But you see what can happen, you understand? Right, and then we'll do a lot of camping and some cooking afterwards, alright? So stay tuned. So what TV? Up. I'm here with Mr. Dixon, one of the members of the community. Morning, Mr. Dixon.
Morning.
Tell me about your community.
Well, Violence Bank is a community, a very peaceful community.
Peaceful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything like wrongs is not the community.
Yeah.
It's possible.
No wrongdoing. People take care of themselves up here.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
And up here is really beautiful. You have any tourist attraction, place where you have tourists come and visit? Anything like that?
Well, yes, tourist regular stuff right there. You can blow on the mountain and stuff like that.
Yeah, because the view is outstanding.
Yeah.
Beautiful view up here.
Yeah.
So how long you been living here? From birth?
Well, I would say actually 7 months. And my mom died when I was 7 months.
Okay, 7 months old.
Yes, this is our community.
Okay.
She sent me back to me. Then bring me back to my auntie. Back to my auntie.
So what you do for a living?
Well, I'm a chef professional.
Chef.
And I do look for farming.
Farming? Up.
I do food tour guide sometimes.
You tour guide as well? Okay. Well, nice talking to you. I appreciate you coming and speaking to So What TV, right? I hope your community maintain the peace. You understand? You as one of the adults, you have tried to ensure the youth them coming up. Yeah, man. And we have to guide them. You understand? Enough respect, man. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Same thing.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Money.
Morning, love.
Oh, yeah, make us able to always recognize you. Keep us free from all weights and sin. Just show us your glory like you did in the temple. Cause the temple is truly within for the glory of Yeshua. It shines brighter and brighter. The closer I get, the more I see.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. So, church over. I make way down. German is here. Yep. Very load. Go down, they go set up whole heap of mango trees. Whole heap of mangoes drop. Yeah. Go down there. Down to the river. People, may I tell you, man, real hiking. Yeah, man. Real hiking. Head down. At least some people live down here so still. Cha cha. Alright guys, so we're up on location. I'm gonna try to set up a tent fast. I was a bit. I'm not even eat. You understand? So, we'll set up a tent there. Right? And light a fire. And maybe we'll cook 2 bees. Who knows? Just wait and see. Yes, people. I'm gonna look for the chicken. Slow jerk. And see plant there? Plant ready. Yeah, man. Put the plant on the side, make it go and chill out. Yeah, man. But jerk it slow so the chicken maintain its juiciness.
Same way.
You don't know, so what TV, that's how we do it thing.
Yeah.
And me and my brethren in there up on the river with the German.
Nah, man.
You understand?
Same way.
We done it, we cool off. Jump in a little spring there.
Yeah,
All
man.
a bathe in a spring water, you understand?
Yeah,
man, nice spring water come down from a Blue Mountains.
Yeah, man. No joke.
Yes, man.
Normally at the river, you know?
So back to the true
Yeah.
roots, man.
Bush life, you know?
Yeah,
Where you
man.
can have to light up for yourself and own food for yourself. No shop, nothing, you know? How much you can live so?
Yeah, man, we ever catch a bird them, catch a fowl them,
Yeah,
raise
yeah,
everything in a while, the goat and all, just
Yeah,
let them
no
go.
joke. No
No
joke,
light.
you know? No joke.
Light up the fire to get
So
some
they
light.
want to go on a road steady, you know?
Yeah, man.
No, man.
Good feel, man.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I tell the people, as you know, bonding with nature,
Yeah,
food thing. So
Yeah,
we do the
man.
church,
yeah.
we went to
I
church.
know the cooking.
Yeah, man, and now we are the camping
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
cooking. As promised.
Yeah, same
Yeah,
way.
man.
Same way, my boss. Chicken them are brown up there now, you know?
Pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, after nothing.
So, Elena, how have you been enjoying your visit so far?
Great.
You say it's good?
Yes. A nice experience.
You've been to Jamaica for a lot of times you come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
But you've never been at this location. You enjoying it?
Yes, enjoying it.
Real bush.
I like the bamboo trees and yeah.
Yeah, man.
The experience is great, but the greatest part is the food.
Food?
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep me away from
So you look forward to your chicken?
food. Yeah.
And you know what's going on again on?
I do.
When I again on?
That's so like somebody getting crazy.
I joke, well, man. You have to eat. You have to eat, man.
Talk and eat jerry chicken, okay? This jerry chicken are very nice, very flavored.
Red wine.
Yeah, I tell you one. Until Vex, you never forget some. Yeah, man, and you me attack, man. You see, man. Yeah, man. Vex, you never dare forget some. No joke. Sugar when that chicken are done in a one dog. Sugar. Let me not sugar when that chicken are done, you know. Red wine jerk chicken. And you know, say first I eat that chicken like this. Red wine jerk chicken. Never eat that chicken like this.
Yeah, man, give it the wine flavor, man.
Yeah, first time. Nah, man. I tell you. I tell you, see this one. It's a wicked, man. No joke.
Yeah, man. And so what TV Bush Kitchen? You see what I want, people?
Yeah.
Look on the wine.
See it?
Everybody know that.
man, no
Lamad
joke,
Parrot
yeah.
original.
Yeah. Give them a little bit more, you know? Yeah.
You know they normally put beer. No beer here. So what if we don't have any beer? Red wine will do. Yes, man.
That is it, you know? Yeah. Big up the peeps, them, you know? Nah, man, I lie.
See him, so man.
Yeah.
So people, the way chicken tastes good.
Yeah.
The German says she want more.
Same way.
So guess what? She want more. We give
Straight
it to
from
her.
the fire to the plate, you know?
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Hot red wine with red wine jerk chicken. That's how we do it in Jamaica, you know? Yeah, catch the red wine, man. And the red wine jerk chicken, man. We don't know, man.
You want a piece of my plant?
How it tastes? Yeah, man. Give me one more planting, man. Piece of everything. Yeah, yeah. Straight from the fire to the plate, you know?
Craving more than everybody else.
No, man. Just
Join you
a,
want me join you?
just a normal day, you know?
So man, enjoy
Yeah.
yourself, man.
Only positive vibes.
Then I bush, watch
Okay.
face, watch face a bush.
Yeah,
Then I watch
yeah.
face with me out a bush. You understand?
Red wine and jerry chicken, you know, with plantain. Okay. Yeah, man.
Them done, you know. Yeah, man. Everything ready.
Can see the red wine pan it, you know, man. Red wine jerk chicken, no easy, you know, man.
Which piece, man?
See, warrior they want to feed more, you know. Bad red wine jerk chicken. Yeah, man. Nah, man. Nah, man. Tell where it tastes, man. I go on like a shy on camera. Taste the chicken and, make it, and tell where it tastes, man.
Yeah!
What you say?
Right off fire right in my mouth, man.
Yeah, same way. See, boss himself there.
Happy good, man.
Yeah, man.
You
Nah,
don't know
man.
people.
Nah.
Yes, people, so as you can see, food done, finish it, and we are well a reasoning. We are talking about
Yeah.
females.
And then I would have normal vibes for the India.
Yeah, man, we ain't say about the females,
Really,
the one the
I
man
would have
want.
vibes about some female nowadays. You see, if you don't have nothing in your life, you not take you up. When a man, we see a female out there work on the garbage truck and take her up. While a female not see you with nothing and take you up. Something have to go on for you, brother. You have to do something, you have to chop the line or something to take you up. You don't know? Brother, she not just take you up, so brother. While I see a man, will see true love in a girl and say he see true love in another girl, you know. take her up same way. You see me I say? Because I'm see true love her in a garbage truck she work for. But some woman now see that and take her up bossy. You not take up a man them way there. You don't know? Something I feel go on for you, man. Something I feel go on for you. Go league at them boss.
So you say nothing
Nah,
now
bash
go
them still in about. I just the choke on my boss, man. You see me I say? I saw we live down your daily, man. You whip off a talk or something. You see the overseas girl, them just love with natural, man. Just by talking, them love with. The overseas girl, them small island, all over, them love with. Just by talking, but our own girls, them, you have to have things to get them. And so we in a trouble.
So based on what you are saying, it sound like I things they want, not you.
So that
And I man they want.
Man, boss, man. I saw we live down your daily, man.
Jaja.
You see me I say, but nah, so we don't want girl where one man with things and have ambition still in the butt. You can see a true love in a look at Jenko man and work with him said we here. I like me I tell bossy.
True.
But some of them a go off of things better. If you not have nothing, move from there. If you don't make money down here, it don't make sense. You hear me I tell you, it don't make sense. I like me I tell bad dog, if you don't have no money down here, it don't make sense. You know, but you have to just live said we here. You see what I say? Because all time I come, man. You see what I say? Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why you make it in a life. They don't really run down certain girl. They end up start use certain girl. Because they never want a certain man when certain man down. You see what I say? But the man up now, and she that I run down the man want to be all the man wife. And she that couple years ago used to say, oh, you that never there with me. And when you look at she want to be the boss wife. You see say you need a trouble. You need a trouble, you know.
A real thing, man. So people, yeah guys, as you can see, you guys put up here the tent, right? So we have a tent. Visit a tent and friend. You understand? Sort out now. Well, I wash off now, little stream. Yeah, man. Cause to 7 now, guys. Night coming down. Belly full. Drink up some wine. You understand? All a beard. And look forward to the night session at the camping. Yes, the man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look forward to a shower now.
Nah, man, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, steady on fire.
Yeah, guys. So, I put on some water, make some hot cocoa, you know? Make some hot cocoa in a cup here. Yeah. Water running the stream. Place nice and quiet. Right. And a tent there. I tent over there, so. I understand. Minute long we glow. $1:27 in the morning. Yeah, when I say, yeah, man, I saw rain, me and at night. I really say eat alone, but. Yeah. Pour the water boil up. Pour it on your head. Chocolate, man. Yep. Good. Good. So yeah guys, in the morning here, down by the river, right, we have residents who do a little sand mining, right? So resources already in the river, right? And you see we are right there, he's loading up the bucket, right, filling the bags on the donkey. And there's a truck. Go all the way up the hill. All the way up the hill, up on the main road to the building where they're gonna use the sand and the gravel. You have 2 donkeys there. Not an easy task, man. So about how much trip you make for you? Eh? Oh.
About the job, you know.
Okay.
And when me done, that myself me done not yet better for me.
Oh, so fast you done it better for you, you can move on to something else.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And like, for me, I do for the donkey tours right now.
Yeah.
For people to peak, blow up the sheep by donkey and something.
So you're 2 donkeys?
Yeah, man. I'm one two me have now.
I'm 1, 2 donkey here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
I told me I have to wake up the time up now.
Okay, those are used 2, you know. Yeah, man.
You know Blue Mountain Peak?
Yeah, I know Blue Mountain. Yeah, man.
Somebody will know.
Well, I don't know the residents, but I know up there.
If you know Blue Mountain, you don't know me, you're sick.
Your place.
You know me up in the donkey and straight.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. So resourceful as Jamaicans, you know. That one well loaded and waiting. I'm gonna load up the next one. Yeah, people. Yeah, man, I'm on in time. We are start up a little breakfast, so we're going to start out some boiled egg with some bean. Yeah, man, and we have some tea bag in the container there, you understand? You can recall that night there, we drink up some cocoa. Everybody up.
Yeah, nah,
right?
Man, you know?
Take down one of the tent.
First time on the camping I go on easy.
Yeah, man, big up the people out there, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Egg, man.
Yeah, man. And the girls in sugar there, you know. Watch him too, he's shy. Yeah, no stop hide. But yeah, people. Yeah, man, that's a go on. Start out little food. Then, you know, pack up. Cry tears. And leave the spot. Because you don't know. We love this, you know. Yeah, man. And if you look on a little stick rock here. See shoes that are wet up. By the time you're ready, that dry, man. Ready, dry. Yeah, man, so that's a go on. So we'll start out the food and eat some food. And link on back up later, people. Oh, and I asked boy German up. Yeah, man. Say good morning to you people.
Good morning.
Yeah, man, you love people, man. They know say up and see you. Because they suppose I wonder what going on night, you know. You understand? If you're afraid, the pity they don't know say you come here and do them thing enough time. Yeah, man, she love Jamaica. Yeah, man, they no must, man. Look at people. Thing done, you know. Yeah, man. Run off a boat and thing, you know. Yeah. And our guests. Yeah, man. So we guess have up fair meal, you know. Yeah, man. And my boy then going to eat them food.
You know? They are waiting for some egg and bean and things. Nah, man, yard man style, you know.
See?
Yeah,
Yeah, man. My boy then going to heat up shortly, you see me?
See you, man.
Yeah man, so we're there up on the riverside. Same way. A little top that, you know, people. Down a little deep hole there, everybody go all in the shower, you know? Yeah man, up on a little stream, yeah. Yes. You understand?
Yeah.
Visitor then come in, enough man.
No joke, man.
Yeah man, but she'll make her friend and come down.
Yeah.
You say some of her friend them a come so.
Yeah, man.
You know?
I invite them, please.
More of this.
Please, and
Yeah man. More of this man.
please.
You understand? Yes no man. Yeah guys. I eat that, you know. I done it done.
Leaving time, you know.
What wanna say?
Enjoy with
Enjoy
you know.
yourself to the
Yeah,
fullest.
from last night till now.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Enjoy
man.
with stay fully.
See? Pack up
Yeah.
and we are move. All garbage burnt. You understand? Well pack. Take down the tent. Tent over the Sagan as well. So 2 tent them take down. Yeah man. So we live. We head back down the stream and up the hill people. So yeah man, till we reach up on the road there. We are trod. Heading back to civilization. So we visited the church and we do camping. Yeah man. Home time now. So thanks again guys supporting, right? Look forward next video. Remember to like, share, and who not subscribe as yet. Yeah man, subscribe man. Subscribe. You understand? So till next time. So what TV saying? Love and respect.